proudest moment, now we here. Told them we would be on board, they ain't never saw it. Friends came and went, disappeared. Ghost them all, cut them off, we don't.
Hey guys, it's Clutch Films. Since the My Team auction house has been kind of crap the last few weeks now, since they keep adding new content, not fixing the servers, and they just keep unloading stuff on us, and the auction house is broken, you can barely get a game in, I figured it'd be a good time to go ahead and use the KMTCentral draft to draft as a team and then take it into a My League and see if we can win a championship in the first 3 years. Using the NBA Finals draft is going to be a pretty loaded draft for my team standards, but I'm hoping it evens out a little more since we're going to get some good players, but they won't be as high overall on the roster. So let's go ahead and get into the draft. We're going to go small forward just because there's a lot of good small forwards in my team, so hopefully one of those guys can carry over. We're going to start at the bench first. We're going to go ahead and go with, let's get Kawhi, cement that small forward on the bench. I'm going to try to not get as many great players to play on the same current NBA team. So I'm not going to take Curry and Durant or Curry and Clay. because I want it to be some competition when we get into the league. So I will be taking a lot of historic players too, just to even out and make sure my team's not too overpowered and every other team's been hit too hard. I'm not sure if Danny Granger's on the roster, so we're going to take John Collins. And let's be honest, and all these my GM rebuilds you do and all that, John Collins gets traded to you if you look enough. So we'll go ahead and take him now and get it over with. I'm going to take Kobe. I can't pass on Kobe. My favorite player. And I'm just going to leave us that. I don't want to get in the debate on who's the best, but we're going to take Miles Turner. I like him. He's young. So 5 and ooh. I'm doing the rebuild on the Lakers, so I'll just take LeBron and keep LeBron on the Lakers. Sounds like a good idea. Chris Paul wants out. Chris Paul wants out of Houston. I'll bring him to LA like he's always wanted to be. That works. We'll send Lonzo over to the Rockets. See how James Harden likes it though. Would it be too overpowered? But you know what? We're bringing it today. We're gonna have MJ, Kawhi, LeBron, Kobe all on the same team. We haven't even got to this early line yet. So, hey, we'll bring Bob Cousy in. He's not even gonna play, but we'll bring him in. I like Pistol Pete more than Bob Cousy. So, Chris Mullen, JJ Redick, Jason Kidd, Jeff T. We need shooters. Let's bring JJ in. Honestly, in these bigger positions. Oh, never mind. We got Giannis. I'm good. We're winning the NBA Finals first year, and if we don't, just know it's rigged. Dirk. We're taking Dirk. He's retiring this year. The Mavericks don't really need him. They weren't going to be competition anyways, so let's go ahead and get ourselves a small forward. We are going to take Gordon Hayward. Now, I'll be right back. I'm going to adjust this line for how we're going to see in my GM, and I'll show you guys it one last time. Okay guys, so I went ahead and fill out the lineup. We're going to have LeBron run point. We have too many forwards in this lineup. I mean, I'm running 3 forwards in the starting lineup alone. So we're going to have LeBron at point just because he's probably got a higher dimer badge than Jordan and Kobe, and he runs more of a primary ball handler for the Lakers anyways. And we're getting rid of Lonzo, so we're going to run LeBron at point and then have Chris Paul as his backup. And then on the bench, I want Miles Turner and John Collins just to get some size. We are running we're running no center in the starting lineup, so I think having some size and rebounding on the bench is going to be nice. Pistol Pete and Hayward are going to be great bench players. And then the last 2 positions, because my GM makes you have 2 positions, I'm going to keep the lowest overalls on the Lakers. So it's probably going to be like Bonga and Wagner, just because those are the only 2 guys the Lakers really left with in real life. So I'm going to go ahead and make this team in a roster, and I'll see you guys over there when I'm done. Okay guys, so I went ahead and brought the team over to 2K, and let me just tell you guys, this roster is stacked. Dirk was only at 75, so I went ahead and got the young Dirk, which is kind of what they got after. I kept the older LeBron. You know, I went out and kept current day Kawhi, current day Chris Paul. Yeah, I didn't want to abuse it too much. Now we couldn't get Bob Cousy because I guess he is only on my team. He's not even on the all-time Celtics when I looked in the roster. So maybe I missed him, but If I did, you guys should let me know in the comments. So I just kept Josh Hart. He's not going to play for us, so I figured it didn't hurt, not having Bob Cousy since he wasn't going to play for us either. Okay. I will see you guys at the All-Star break. Okay, I went and came back. I just noticed that we just lost to the Timberwolves. D-Rose went off. Okay, I don't understand how we lost to the T-Wolves and we just beat them 121 to 69. We put up 160 against the Cavs. Yeah, the ball is getting whizzed around. These guys are getting some crazy assist numbers. We see a total assist. 57 assists that game. That was crazy. Okay, unless something else happens again, I'll see you guys right before the All-Star weekend. Okay, guys, so we end up going to All-Star Weekend 55-2. We just did lose to the 76ers. B played a great game. What did we take from them? I cannot tell. I can't remember honestly who we took from the 76ers that we gave them Blanco. Oh, we took JJ Redd. That's it. Okay. Let's go and look at the stats and see how he's playing. Yeah, I kind of figured LeBron's still going to be leading the team. I have him as a third option. He is still going to lead the team in scoring. He's playing phenomenal. Our team is just passing the ball around like crazy, which is awesome. So I have it just shoot at will. Which, looking at it, looks like they are shooting plenty of threes. So I'll take it. Check out those plus minuses. So Pistol P is the worst plus minus on the team. That's a 12 plus 12. So that's just crazy. LeBron's at 20. He's got over 1,000 points already. Dirk's got over 500 rebounds. Miles Turner's got 101 blocks. So realistic. Miles Turner would be leading our team in blocks, even going off the bench. Blocks per game. So the Heat are probably beating, but can we see total blocks? Okay, so sadly it's not like real life. Miles Turner's not out blocking an NBA team, but it would have been pretty cool to see him do that off the bench. Do they have us at number 1 in power rankings? Yeah, they do. Man, the Warriors are 45-9. The Thunder's 41-14. So even though since we didn't take anyone away from the Warriors or anyone away from the Thunder, they obviously are going to play still very well. We've already clinched the playoff berth, so that's crazy. The Wizards, they're the number 1 team in the East, aren't they? Yep, 39-19. Okay, so East is looking weak. So we should, if we can get to the finals, we should be able to walk to the finals. So I'll see you guys when we get to the playoffs. MVP was Steph Curry. The year was Doncic, no shock. Serge Ibaka 6 man. Now I'm actually shocked that Serge Ibaka got 6 man. It wasn't someone off our team since Kawhi was playing great. But Serge was averaging about as many points as Kawhi, so about Kawhi being there, Serge stepped up. Giannis Stevens played a year. Not shocked at that. He was balling. We were 80-2. We didn't even have that great of a coach. Imagine we had Popovich as coach. We probably could have went off. So LeBron and Giannis from the second team. Do we have? So wow. So Jordan and Kyrie did not make it. Jordan and Giannis, first team defense. We had no rookies. So, okay, I mean, I expected more out of guys like Kobe and all that, but see how many All-Stars we had. So we had Kobe and Giannis on Team Kyrie. And then on team staff, we had LeBron, Dirk. Wait, did Jordan not make the All-Star team? Oh, okay. So, they did their job out there. Let's go ahead and I'm going to sim current round. I think we should be able to walk over the Timberwolves. They were one of the two teams that beat us in the regular season. So if they took a game, I really wouldn't be shocked at the way the sim engine works. Okay, we sweeped them. So did Portland. Portland sweep Grizzlies. Okay, honestly, it's looking like these are the teams. The Rockets got swept by the Warriors. Okay. Thunder Jazz matchup seems to always happen in the playoffs. We're up 2-0. Let's get a sweep. Let's get a nice little sweep. The Thunder might take the Warriors 7, honestly. They did, and the Thunder won. Okay. So we got 76ers and Raptors in the East, which I expect in a 2K sim. And we're going up against the Thunder. The Thunder should be exactly the same team as they were in real life. I kept trades on, but we never got a single trade offer. I think our team might have just been too good that no team had an offer without giving up a true superstar of their own. Okay, so can we sweep all the playoffs? That would be crazy. Oh, I knew I jinxed it. 4-0, okay. Gentleman's sweep, we'll take it. So I don't blame them for not having a crazy amount of stats. We're up 2-0. I think, guys, we're going to win the championship first year. Not a shock when you look at our team, but okay, 3-1. Is this it? Nope. Okay, so it's game 6. So that means we're probably in Philadelphia. Let's take it game 7. Oh, we actually are taking it game 7. I didn't actually mean that. Okay, we are too good of a team to be losing, so I don't know why we are. I'm ignoring the scouts advice. This team worked and went 80-2. He changed up the lineup, and we started losing the playoffs. So we're going to stick with the lineup I started the season with and see how it works. Oh, yeah, see, look at that. We came out running. I think we got this one in the bag. Okay. Stop simulation. We're going to jump in. I want to see the little celebration for when we win the finals here. Okay, guys. So that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. If you guys want to see me do this again with the finals draft or even a regular draft or just other rebuilds, let me know in the comments and I'll try to start making them more often. With my team dying down and the servers being bad, this is going to be a good way for me to still bring you guys 2K content outside of the park, which I do plan on bringing you guys more often. But if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, like for more, and turn your post notifications on because I stream sometimes multiple times a day, but I try to stream at least 6 times a week. So try to come into one of those, say hi, say what's up, talk to some people. We're going to talk basketball on almost every stream, whether it's Fortnite or 2K or whatever. So feel welcome to hop on in. Until next time, I'll see you guys all later.